Now today I will discuss on a new topic from subtraction, that how to subtract and then how to check the answer that is correct or not. Okay, then let's start. At first, take a 3-digit number. That is 700, and we have to subtract 564 from this 700. Then you give the minus sign at first. Now you can check that at the ones place and tens place there are 0 written. So we have to borrow 1 from 100 place, and giving 1, 7 convert to 6. Now from tens place we have to borrow 1, so that's. Now at first you take the ones place, so 10 minus 4 equals to 6. Now comes to the tens place, 9 minus 6 equals to 3, and then you come to the 100 place, 6 minus 5 equals to 1. So the answer is 136. Now we have to check that the answer is correct or not. Now what is the formula? We have to add these two numbers, 136, that means the difference, with the subtrahend. If we get the minuend, then we can say that the answer or the difference is correct, otherwise not. Okay, now let's start. At first you write down ones, tens, 100, then you write down at first the difference 136, then 564. Now we have to add these two numbers, where 136 is written here, subtrahend is written here. Okay, now we have to add these two numbers. 6 plus 4, 10. 0 is written, 1 is carried. 1 plus 3, that is 4. 4 plus 6, again 10. 1 is carried. So 1 plus 1, 2, plus 5, 7. So we have to write down 700. Now you can see that is same as minuend. So we get back the minuend. Okay. Now we can say that our subtraction is correct. Now in the next case, let's take a 4-digit number. Ones, tens, 100, then 1000. Okay. Now write down the number 7036, and we have to subtract 5998 from this number. Okay. Then how we start the subtraction? As we can see, at first you take the ones place, 6 is written and 6 is smaller than 8. Then we have to borrow 1 from tens place. Now 3 convert to 2, and we take 1 tens, then we write down 10 at ones place. Then 10 plus 6, that is 16. 16 minus 8 equals to 8. Okay. Now you comes to tens place. After giving 1, 3 convert to 2. 2 is smaller than 9. So we have to borrow 1 from 100 place. Now 0 is written at 100 place. Then we have to borrow 1000 from thousands place. Now giving 1007 convert to 6, and taking borrow 1000, we should write 10 at 100 place. Now from this 10 we take 100, so 10 convert to 9 and we write down 10 here. So 10 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 9, that is 3. Now you come to the 100 place. 9 minus 9, 0. And 6 minus 5 at thousands place, that is 1. So we get the result or difference 1038. Now you have to check the answer is correct or not. In the same procedure, okay. At first we write down the difference, then we have to add this with the subtrend. If we get the minimum get back, then we can say the result is correct, otherwise not. So let's start. Check. At first you write down ones, tens, 100, 1000. Then you write down at first 1038, then 50998. You can see this number is written here and this number is written here. Then you give the plus sign. So then let's start. That is 8 plus 8, 16, 6, 1 is carry, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 9, 13. 3 is written, 1 is carry. 1 plus 9, 10, 0 is written here, 1 is carry. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus 5. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 5, that is 7. Now you can see that this number is similar as the number is written in minuend. Okay. So here also 7036. Here also the result, the addition is 736. Now we can say that the difference is correct. Okay, that the subtraction is correct. I am giving the link of my previous classes in the description box. If anyone has not attended my previous classes, then you must click on the link and you must see the previous videos at first, then you attend this class. So it will be more beneficial for you.